So let's have a quick look at what we have this morning. This is the daily chart as usual of the ES. I'm afraid my pen thing's not working again this morning for some reason. Thank you, Microsoft. But off the 4, 5 up to here is a diagonal for the 1, 2 back, 1 expanded flat for this 2, another 1 up, and I think we're still in the 2 down before we take off to 3,000 or higher in the 3 of 3 in the ES. Coming down the time scale, so this is the 4-hour chart, and if I just expand the view so you can see it properly, there's the first one up, A, B, C for the expanded flat, 5 up to here for the 1, A down, B in at yesterday's high. Then I think what we saw yesterday was the 1, and what we've got going on at the moment is the 2 before we come down in the rest of this C of 3. Ideal target 28.30, and if we just zoom in on that to the hourly chart, then you can see the 1 hit our target box pretty much to the penny, right into the top of it. 5 down to here for the A, B, C back, 5 down yesterday for 1, and then the 2 that may or may not already be in at this morning's high, and then the path down here. Now, if I bring this all the way down to the 15-minute chart, this was the target zone for the 2, and I put that update out after the market had closed last night. It was while I was updating the site charts and doing the video. I looked at this and thought, now this still needs, this isn't it. It still needs this up here, which is exactly what we've seen. So that gave you all an opportunity for a sneaky overnight long if you took it. But more importantly, to be prepared to short this morning. Now, I've shorted it already, but my stop I've got at 28.67 at the moment, and I might just take it off and let it go all the way to the 886 here if it wants it. It's only at 28.68. We came within a hair's breadth of the fib. I suspect we will push up this morning at the open. What I'm keen to see is that this does not invalidate. If I look at the squeeze indicators, I've got 10, 15, 20 minute, 2-hour, 4-hour and daily squeezes building up, and the hourly has just fired long. Now, it's not confirmed yet, so I want to see that invalidate. I'm not into the idea of fighting an hourly squeeze to the upside, so providing it does invalidate, I'm quite comfortable staying short, but I'm not going to give this a lot of room. What I'm looking for is the 3 down, and the 3 down should target 28.42 at the 1618 extension, 4 back to the 28.47, the 123.6 extension, and then if you look down here, the 238.2 extension for the entire C wave lines up perfectly with the 618 retrace of the 1 up at 28.29 to 28.30. So that's what I'm looking for. In terms of day trading, I'm just going to trade the 3 down, and then we'll scalp around it very much as we did yesterday. So that's what I've got this morning in the ES, and then if I bring that down to the 5-minute chart where I've overlaid the day trading levels, upper blue line, you can see we've spiked over it, down, retested it from beneath. That was the short setup this morning. We haven't quite got 5 down. That looks like an ABC for a 3. They haven't taken this low out here either. This can be the 4 in this C, and we push up one more time and hit the fib this morning and then start to drop. Not sure which, but either way, expecting lower today in the ES.